How to add hyperlink text in LinkedIn post. To hyperlink text in LinkedIn post, it's important to know that LinkedIn does not support traditional hyperlinking like you would find in HTML. However, you can still include clickable links in your post by following the steps. Very first thing is that you need to compose your post. Start by writing the content of your post. This can include your thoughts, update, for example. Just go to this plus icon here, this comment section, whichever this icon look likes in the top. This is a post, so you can write here, hello, this is a test, right? For example, I like this one. So this is a post here, and you can just add anything, your thoughts, update, relevant information you want to share, and just go and click on post. Right now here, for example, if I just go and click on post here, click on open post. Right now this is for example, let me show you. Now, while writing your post here, you can copy the full URL of the website or the resources you want to link. For example, I want to link www, right, this website, right, google.com, right. Now this is a link, right, and paste the URL. You can copy the paste. This is just for example here into the body of your post. LinkedIn will automatically convert it into a clickable link, often generating a preview if applicable, right. So now I will just go and click on save or post here. Now you can see here this is a link, so if I just go and click on, automatically it will redirect to me Google, right. And mostly, some says that, I don't know this is a myth or truth, but there's a lot of saying that if you post link in the post of LinkedIn, the usually the reach is reduced. So generally whoever want to post a link, they post in the comment and then they pin the comment, right. So this is a way you can also do this. And if LinkedIn generates a preview image or description, you can modify it by removing it by clicking on this X. Usually the image is preview here and you can just close it. For aesthetic purposes, especially if the URL is long, consider using a shortly or URL shortener bit.ly to make it neat and save character space here. Right now this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.